get started, I was inspired to recreate this face chart by Milk1422 on Instagram. I absolutely love the makeup in this face chart and really want to recreate it. To get started with this makeup look, I'm going in with the Pure 4-in-1 Correcting Primer. This primer feels so fresh and nice on your face. It feels really cooling, and I just love the way it makes me feel nice and energized and awake. Then I'm going in with a little bit of the Benefit POREfessional to fill in any of my pores, smooth in any fine lines and wrinkles. For foundation, of course, I'm going in with the Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay Foundation in the shade 105. I'm just applying that to my face using my damp beauty blender. This is my favorite foundation from the drugstore, by the way, and if you have not tried it, I recommend you to go pick it up and try it out because you won't regret it. I promise. It's an amazing drugstore foundation. For concealer, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Fair Beige, and I'm going in with the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Fair Warm. I'm first going in with the Hydrating Camo Concealer, and then I'm adding the 16-Hour Camo Concealer on top. You may be wondering, why do I use two concealers? Well, I feel that the Hydrating Camo Concealer isn't as full coverage as the 16-Hour Camo Concealer, and I feel that the 16-Hour Camo Concealer, which is the more matte one, is too drying on my skin alone, and I absolutely just love the combination of these two concealers together. It's gorgeous and it's flawless, and it just gives you the most beautiful full coverage under eyes. These concealers are amazing. To set my face, I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way Pressed Powder Foundation in the shade Cream Puff, and I'm just applying that to my face using a powder puff. And this does not make you extra cakey or anything, even though it is a pressed powder foundation. I don't get cakey, I don't get powdery, not any more than I would normally be with my regular setting powder, and this just leaves your skin looking super flawless and amazing. I absolutely love the finish that this pressed powder foundation leaves on your skin, and it looks amazing in photos. To complete this eye look, I'm taking the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Dark Magic palette, and I'm taking the shade Shh on a Morphe JH34 brush, and I'm just applying that in my crease and to my eyelid. I'm just building that color up until I'm happy with it, and I'm making sure everything is nice and blended out. I really like this eyeshadow because it's like a grayish taupey nude. It's brown, but like the more you build it up, the more taupey and gray it gets, and it's just so beautiful in the crease. It's very easy to blend out. This is the only eyeshadow we are using on our eyes for this eye look because in the face chart it didn't look like there was a whole lot going on with the eyes. It looked very, very simple, but I'm just building it up until I get the intensity that I would like, and then I'm going to add that same shade using a Mata Pro 420 brush, and I'm just packing that onto my lid and then blending out my crease to make sure that we have no harsh lines. Now I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line using that same eyeshadow on a Morphe JH35 brush, and then I'm going to take my e.l.f. concealer brush and just blend around the edges of that eyeshadow so everything is nice and blended. Now I'm going to move on to the face, and I'm taking my Benefit Hoola bronzer and I'm going in with a Morphe M506 brush, and I'm just going to start contouring my nose. This is very, very simple. I do this in all my videos. I draw 2 lines down the center of my nose, keeping them close together and around my nostrils, and then I take my e.l.f. concealer brush, and I just blend it out until everything is nice and blended. And I just want to mention that I did add the Kiss chiffon lashes, the Naked Drama chiffon lashes. I used them in my last video also. If you're curious, I just didn't have a clip of the packaging of the lashes, so I just wanted to say that. And I went ahead and I tight lined my waterline of my eyes with a black eyeliner. I'm going in with the Benefit Hoola bronzer on the little Benefit Hoola brush that comes with the bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze up my cheekbones and contour them. I bronze and contour with a bronzer shade. I think it suits my skin best. And now I'm just going to blend out that bronzer using a Morphe M437 brush so that everything's nice and soft and we have no harsh lines. And once again, I'm going in with my Benefit Hoola bronzer and I'm contouring my jawline so we can have a nice defined jaw. And again, I'm going to blend that out using my Morphe M437 brush so that we have no harsh lines. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 5, and I'm just going to use this to bake my face. So I'm just carving out under where I contoured my cheekbones and my jawline so that that area is very nice and defined and sharp and clean. And then I'm going in around my nose where I contoured. And now I'm taking the NARS blush in Impressioned, and I'm taking the Tarte blush in Party, and I'm mixing them together using my Morphe JH06 brush, and I am applying that to my cheeks, and I'm just packing on that blush. This combination of blush is so pretty. It's so gorgeous. It gives you those nice pink rosy cheeks that scream fall and winter. And now I'm going in with the Tarte Pro Glow palette, and I'm taking the shade Stunner and Strobe, and I'm just highlighting my nose, and I'm also highlighting my chin because those are the areas that I like to have my glow going on. And now I'm just taking my Morphe M437 brush and I'm wiping away that bake, and I'm also blending out that blush so that it's not too harsh and intense. And have you guys noticed that I forgot to bronze my forehead? I fixed it at the end, but like, did anyone catch that? I didn't catch it when I was filming. Now I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm, and I'm taking a Mata Pro liner brush and I'm just adding that to my inner corners. This will really make them pop and give you that really intense glow highlight that is shown in the face chart. And now I'm taking the Sistar Cosmetics Smooth Touch Auto Lip Liner, and I'm just going to line my lips. You could probably take any color lip liner, but I like to go in with something dark. That's my favorite lip liner to use. And then I'm going in with the Dose of Colors Desi X Katy liquid lipstick in the shade Savage. And I'm not sure if they make this lipstick anymore. I don't think they do, but I know there's a ton of dupes and shades like this on the market, so I'm sure you could find something. But this lip color is so gorgeous. It's one of my favorites. I use it all the time. Like, I literally love this lip color so much. And I better find a dupe soon before I run out of my Desi X Katy lipstick. And then I'm going to set my face using the Smashbox Photo Finish Setting Spray. This setting spray is amazing. It adds hydration back into your face while still leaving your face matte, but it looks more hydrated and it looks great in photos. And then, like I said, did you guys realize I forgot to add bronzer? I didn't realize till the end, so I'm just adding my bronzer on my forehead really quick using my Morphe JH09 brush and my Hoola bronzer. This is the completed makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I absolutely love the way this makeup look turned out. I'm so happy I recreated the Milk1422 face chart. I absolutely love the taupey eyeshadow. I've actually used this shade on my eyes before in a past tutorial and I really loved it, and I'm so happy I used it again because I forgot how much I love this shade. I felt like it really complemented my eyes and made my eyes stand out even more, along with the lipstick. This tone of lipstick always makes my eyes popped. This is actually one of my favorite lipsticks. I wear this lipstick all the time, I kid you not. I love a bold lip, and I just love the whole combination of this whole look. It's such a vampy fall winter makeup look. This is perfect for this time of the year right now, and I love everything about it. I'm so happy I recreated it, and you guys should totally check out Milk1422 on Instagram. His face charts are amazing, and I've been following him for a few years now. I've always wanted to recreate one of his face charts, but I just never do. I have so many screenshotted on my phone, but when I saw this one, I fell in love with it, and I knew I had to recreate this look. It's been on my list of looks to film for a few weeks now, and I'm so happy I finally got around to it because I absolutely love it. I can tell you that I will be wearing this makeup look all fall and winter. I love how it turned out so much, but you guys should really check out Milk1422. I want to thank him for the inspiration, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please, if you enjoyed it, make sure you give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!